go. Here's another bite.
Just go. And I'm nuts that I just want to be reminded of that sometimes.
What do you think? Is
Is
it yummy?
That was a freak. All I wanted to do was
You look... Is it good?
I'm sure there are plenty of guys.
Here, we'll try a little bit bigger bite.
Here. Online dating. I've never been kissed, Will.
Here. Don't stick out your tongue, it won't work.
It's a doorway to everything else, you know? Promise, hope.
Is that good?
The future.
That's a good sign. That's a pretty good reaction. Here, try this one. Try this one. Open your mouth. Now you gotta chew it a little bit. Not spit it out. Here. Yeah, that's the part you spit out. What do you think? Oh, you're such a big boy. Okay. Jameson, you're gonna get food all over your elephant. Okay, ready? Going in for a monster-sized bite here. You have to take your hand out of your mouth. Okay. You can't. I need a third hand here.